episode ya 96 se dutangiye hakuno.
We never meet anyone normal.
Ubundi nta muntu tujya duhura nawe ari umuntu muzima kweli.
She's even researching Eve.
Ibaze kari gukora iperereza no kuri Eve gari kuvuga ka gakobwa ka Leila.
Okay, don't add fuel to the fire.
Umva, mwikongera amazi mu muriro nawe washanga ngo ni Kalila. Urabona taraka uri kongera kumurya mu mutwe.
We don't understand what she's up to.
Kesi nzuri ya mukobwa ngagamije iki? Nanjye simbizi.
She's in love with Yaman.
Cyangwa sakaba kuna Yaman.
And the signs are obvious. Look, she's trying to take Yaman away from
Okay, ushobora kumva wenda bikubangamiye ariko nimba utari kubibona ari kugerageza kukwambura Yaman gamujana.
Then she's right. It's clear.
Ariko ni nabyo tabiragaragara.
To study medicine, she became a love doctor.
Were you not implying the same thing?
Wena Yaman isubundi ntimwitwara kimwe.
Considering she kissed him.
Ikirenze ibyo yaranamusomye, yeah?
Maybe. Okay, I don't want to sound like
Okay, sinashakaga kubivuga nyine narivuze ngo wabona yaramusomye.
But it was a tricky situation.
Ariko nyine byari ahantu bigoranye cyajya musoma barinzi bamutunze imbuga.
He was going to get himself shot by the
Bari bagiye kumurasa Yaman.
She intervened to save him.
Nibwo uriya mukobwa yahise azabyivangamo aramusoma gake gake.
I'm just saying it's
Jende kwivugira damutantera amabuye aha datu wabandi. Ni Alex kirabavanga gita kimanukira.
Keep your eyes open, Ria.
Ubure gucunga umugabo wawe Lia. Ukomeze ucane kujisho nukomeza kwasama baramujyana.
But she has a gun.
Wibuke kuriya mukobwa afite imbunda. Urumva?
Be careful.
Niyivugiraga gusa wirinde mwana wanjye. Gita gicokira rutwitse kirimanukira ni Alex. Yasigaye hano do. Mukobwa. George. Hakuno nawe.
Are you okay?
Umeze neza mwana George cyangwa byagenze bite? Hakuno. Ebe. Ahitacho ashugunya umugore we.
Did you convince him?
Wabashije kumwumvisha se?
You mean convince him to lie?
Mwumvisha ajya kubeshya?
I didn't.
Nimba ari ibyo byo nabikoze.
But he'll do it.
Araza kubikora.
Doubt.
Okay, byiza.
I never doubted the power you had over him.
Sinigeze nshidikanya ku mbaraga umufiteho pe.
Me. So you won't convince me.
Ariko se jya uraza kunyumvisha.
Tomorrow.
Uburyo bwonyine ufite ni ukunyumvisha. Kandi ufite kugeza ejo gusa uruga.
Is this what you want to do?
Ese koko ibi nibyo ushaka gukora?
Or are you going to continue?
Utambeshya uraza gukomeza.
Loves and trusts. You were at a threshold and if you
nimba yereza agaciro urukundo n'icyizere ntabwo wakabaye umuhatiriza gukora ibintu.
I have already crossed that threshold.
Njye namaze kurenga ibyo ngibyo.
Too late for the old Olga. I will fight until I get what I want.
Iyo nza kuba ndi orugakera nari gupfusha ariko ubu ndoruga mushyashya ndaza kurwana mpaka mbonye ico
The man I love to prison.
Nibiba ngombwa uriya mugabo twese tumuhomba cye muri gereza kubera karagukunda ibyo nabizi Natali nimba udashoboye gushyingiranwa na Steven ngo George abone kutagihari.
I will marry Steven.
Sawa ntaribi Steven turashyingiranwa nimba ari byo ushaka.
Even if it means imprisoning the man I love to you.
Nimba ari biraza kuzamo kufunga umugabo nakundaga ntari bitu nashyingiranwa na Steven si ibyo ushaka turashyingiranwa maze ndebe icyo bizakumarira urebe hakuno bibutse filime ica kuri decoder ya Star Times muri Ganza TV no kuri
and don't do anything that will end up pushing
buri munsi kuva saa moya kugera saa 2 za nimugoroba ubundi tukirira sho bisanzwe hakuno abanabo
Miss
Kalina Alice Kalina hari ibintu bakuzanye hano bamuzaniye indabo ebe
I'll be at the tea house on Bakehouse Beach in an hour.
Naza kuba ndi muri kantine y'ahandi ku mucanga uze kwansanga dusangire n'ibigukundira mu gihe.
That's creative.
Birarenze.
What the hell are these?
Ibi ni ibiki?
Chrysanthemums and lilies.
Why not roses?
Kubera icyo atanyoresha amaroza kanzonyoherereza bino birabo.
The sender. Who sent them?
Ninde suzohereje?
Of course.
Urumva rinde wundi.
Then the tea house is the right place.
I wonder if you
Okay, ugende musangirire kuri kantine gende umva byaba ari na sawa.
Make up your
Ni cyaka izari kiba kizohereje murabyumva namwe.
Later.
See you later.
Ifite ukuntu cyamusariye kiba cyabuze ubwonko bwibutsa. Ebe. Ubara kwereka hakuno. Akana mwibuke twasuye inyuma amasaha 13 bakazanye hano kwa muganga do. Ebe.
Sister, good afternoon. We're about a checkup.
Did you make
Mugoroba mwiza twari tuje muri check.
They know her. She's been here before.
Ufite rendezvous hano yawe mwana baramuzi baraza kumwemera.
Really?
Koko.
You think I could speak to Dr. George?
Wafasha nkavugana na Dr. George byibura. Hey. Serina jana kana karamubona
He
karabizi.
told us to make an appointment.
Twari tuje hano kwisuzumisha none ku mwana ntago ngo bamwisuzuma adafite appointment cyangwa rendezvous kana gasubira inyuma. ni ka Melina
Little one.
karamuzi uyu mugabo kore ngo ni Selina kana karirukanka gacaho karabyumvishe karibo bashimuse Yamani hano kari kataratangira kuvuga biyo
Scared of me? What a
kana karagutu
scary.
kandi nyanje kandi ndabizi se njyewe sho ibuke yaragafashe cyajyaga Steven amubwira ati na Yamani ujya kumushimuta nuko wavuze uko byarangiye narabibonye kana karabyumvishe none ubugasigaye kavuga rep
It's yellow daisy season yet? Why didn't you tell me?
ese wewe kutari kumbwira hakuno aka kajano gategereje Kayizari mwibuke Kayizari yakabwiye ngo bahurire muri kantine hano we
He smack you. Get out of here. Everybody out.
mwaba Caritas mwe musoke muve hano ugende se mwabakinga Ajano yigize inshuti ya Kayizari kumbe ni wamurara boss yatumye ngo ikibi cyari cyo cyose ugomba kunzanira Kayizari Ajano
Take care of their tabs.
umva facture yabari abajinga muze kuyimereza ndayishyura
Sorry, Miss Carla.
Miss Kalila mura
So crude. When they see a woman, they
ubabarire kuba bari kugukabukira bakubwira nabi
forgive me for asking, but are you waiting for Caesar?
ubabarire kuba mbikwaje ariko utegereje
I
Kayizari
don't know why we're meeting up here.
sinzi impamvu tukwaje no gura hari ikibazo nicaye
I'll wait here until he arrives, okay?
ndamutegereza hano mpaka jenari bimwe
Okay.
abajinga batakumenyera umbe nawe nibandi
Tea?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
bagwicaye se yawe urakoze ntari burakoze okay hakuno yep jano cyita vana agatelefone akakarangaye ahita agafotora bigishyushye do yangije Kayizari ari hano siza do ka message yep ureba hano
I'm happy with your cheeky.
ndi kumwe n'icyana cyawe
You son of a bitch!
wanjye nayo ibwaye ndakwica ningufata do arabwanuka aheta urugongo nk'urwa Harandi do aheta urugongo tarajya kure kugera hakuno tarajya kure pampe ba boss iki kiri kuja mbere boss aragushaka ngwino tugende
He said she'll be fine.
Jonathan aragushaka yavuze ngo biraza kumera turakurasa nuza n'ubugoryi
kind of man would threaten another man with a woman, huh?
ni mugabo nyabacyo utera umugabo ubwoba akoresheje umugore we he
No real man does that.
nta mugabo nyamugabo ukora ubugoryi nk'ubwo ngubwo shajya hano tugenda ugabanya amaryo siza ibyo uri kwigira ntabwo byagutura inshanti jya hano tugenda siza bamutwara gutya intambike do acaho yep
Only one thing makes sense.
ikintu kimwe nicyo cyumvikana cyonyine
Consider she kissed him. Maybe.
bifate nk'aho yamusomye wawe
Eyes open, Rhea. Don't let her.
Ria ukomeze ucane ku maso Ria ari kwibuka amagambo bamubwiye kuri Yamani na Leila ari kubona Yamani Leila ari kumutsindira gake gake akibuka ukuntu
Yaman before her. Did you
bahoberana James imbere ya Yamani
First,
ikibazo si wamumenye
about who knows my brother better.
ikibazo nuzi umuvandimwe wanjye cyane ahubwo ya magambo Alex yamubwiye ko wamugani mugabo kari nk'ibati urisakaye nabo umuyaga urigurukana ukarita mu baturanyi
Yaman,
Yamani yahise amuhamagara shushu
I'm kidnapping you today. Get
aretse uyu munsi nkagushimuta akwereka utuntu twikorera n'ahantu twigiye
put them.
sawa
Melina!
Meri nawe
Ina!
kumbe yari gushaka ka
You're
kana
embarrassing us.
Meri nutangiye kunsebya Steven ageze hano
Melina!
Meri nawe ahura na ba bana bo mu muhanda bo hano
Selena,
Selina we
that commotion about.
ibi ni ibiki kana
Little girl again.
ka kana k'agakobwa gato karimo hano mu
Man, and
hano
the
yanjye
kids he brought into our lives.
uriya mwana nawe azanyangiriza
Just make them go away. You better believe I would. I've had enough.
uriya mwana ndamutse nshatse uburyo namwohereza nabikora pe angeza
But I guess it's harder now that he's an adult.
aha kuriya mwana ko washimuse Yamani we ntiyakuze kupa kana kari kubumvamo hano
That's where you're hiding. Come here, troublemaker.
ngwino hano wakana uri guteza ibibazo hano
Come here.
shingukaho
Stop!
kurarikorekeraho akana karavuga ntabyo bari bazi kandi kabumvishe baganira ko aribo bashimuse Yamani Steven arumirwa apfuye ndapfuye ibintu byose byari bimaze gutuza
She said stop.
uriya mwana arakubwiye ngo rekeraho ngo nshingukaho
Selena,
Selena
does that mean she can hear too?
bivuze ko uriya mwana yumva nimba navugana n'ubu
Not done kidnapping children.
For God's sake,
ako ntabwo ugerekera gushimuta
that
abantu
in front of her.
niwe wivugira ibyo bintu imbere y'umwana
You
cyagiye
hear a thing, she's deaf.
Imana ishimwe ko uyu mwana atumva. Ha!
In God's name have you done now?
Mana y'isi n'ijuru. Selina yakoze ibiki?
Melina?
Melina we, ndaza kureba kana. Melina. Ha!
Melina.
Ari akana kabavamo akanya kari ko kose kabavamo. Kabivuga do. Kana kasohotse gutyo.
Melina?
Melina we wakana.
Up that girl.
Okay, I got it.
Koye mufate kariya kana. Sawa.
Melina!
Melina we. Mu bitaro hakuno. Do. Mana yanjye.
There she goes.
Dore
I
karagiye.
think she heard us.
Kandi karatwumvisha.
What can we do, huh? What can...
Dukora iki?
This is your
Dukora iki?
fault.
Stephen, how could I know? They told
Steven, nari kubwirwa n'iki kuriya mwana avuga?
I can't believe it.
Je
I
sinabyizera.
really can't believe it.
Sinabyizera pe.
Thanks to you,
Reka ngushimire.
are hanging off the lip of that little brat, Selena.
Selina reka ngushimire kugendana na bariya bana.
do, Stephen.
Hasi Steven uri
What are we going to do? Say something.
gira ikintu uvuga.
I don't know, Selena.
Sinzi Selina.
This time, I really don't know.
Kuri inshuro nanjye sinzi icyo navuga pe. Sho. Bana bamaze kumubera nka parazite. Bamurimo. Hakuno ntago bari babizi ko kariya kana kavuga kumera kwereka hakuno kwa Jonathan kwa boss.
What's wrong with you?
Tikiye kibazo boss.
What the hell are you doing with my girlfriend?
Sheri wanje muri kumukoresha iki?
I've nothing to do with her.
Je ntaho mpuriye nawe. Hey.
Your brother Yamanali came to visit us.
Muvandimwe wawe Yamana ari kare yaje
Told
kudusura.
him that I needed this.
Mubwira yuko nari mbikeneye ibiki?
He said that you wouldn't be working with us anymore.
Yatubwiye ngo ntabwo ugikeneye kudukorera.
And then you immediately jump to threatening me.
Hanyuma uhita usimbuka uza kuntera ubwoba.
I swear to you, if anything happens to Carl,
Ndakurerera hagize ikintu kiba kuri kare.
burn this entire place down with...
Umenye ko ahantu hose nahatwika boss.
Caesar boy.
Tuza ariko hacana.
Nothing's wrong with her.
Uriya mukobwa nta kiri bumubeho tuza.
Waiting for you to come.
Aragutegereje ngo umuhamagare. Kureba hano nawe arabamuhamagaye.
There it goes, Buzz.
Simbona asa guhamagaye ahubwo ngo princess igikomangoma kazi cyawe.
Okay, give me that.
Mpereza iyo telefone. Uretse?
Not just yet.
Apana nona.
Let's talk first.
Uretse tuganire.
Go on.
Je nabyo
Did
nshaka.
that you want.
Ushaka iki ubundi?
There's a deal going down.
Hari deal tugiye
To
gukina.
do with me.
Je muriye nayo nyine.
Listen, boy, listen.
Banza unyumva ariko haka.
Big truck of goods is coming.
Hano hari ibicuruzwa bagiye
Heard
kutuzanira.
of your reputation.
Ndetse ibigwi byawe
And
birakuvugira.
if I have that brave man with me,
Kuba ararashe kiriya kigabo.
I want you here with me.
Ndagushaka hano kubera ko umukino ugiye kunzanira uwo dukorana business
You're right.
arashaka kubona
I'll go
umuntu.
mine.
Ngo wishe Zakiri Dimu. Sibyo?
If you upset my lady.
Uraramuka undakarije sheri.
You don't upset us. Why should we upset?
Ese utaturakaje twebwe n'iki cyatuma tumurakaza kweri koko siza we. Sheri wawe arahageze boss. Umugabo ugiye kuzana ibicuruzwa nicyo bashakiraga siza bahari. Umuntu wishe kiriya kigabo ni cya Zakiri Dimu bamuhabutsa abantu bose do. Hakuno.
Good afternoon, Jonathan.
It's an honor to have you.
Mugore mwiza Jonathan ni iby'agaciro.
Let you at the door if you let us know. It's so great to have you here.
Byiza kukwakira do. Yaritwararitse isiza. Kono bamureba bose Zakiri Dimu baramutegeka.
That him?
N'uyu nguyu
Yes.
cyane. Kadasanzwe.
The great Caesar.
Mugabo w'igitangaza bita Kaisari do. N'amabandi ya
Green Demerhan's executioner.
uyu niwe wishe Zakiri Dimu
My
hano.
right hand man.
Uyu yabaye umugabo wanje niwe kaboko kanje k'iburyo niwe murara wanje. Yebo uyu nguyu na boss. Ubumenyereza inshyitsi. Nawe arabyimba do. Station sha. Niko.
Wait,
Boss ngiye mbaye ngiye kandi. Hey,
better go.
umva ngiye mbaye ngiye. Aza no
Let
gusinzira
me
boss.
girlfriend go, and I won't spoil this.
Ngiye kujya guhura na sheri wanje udatuma nkwangiriza ibintu.
My boy.
Okay, nari nimba ugiye genda. Amucira isira itanere kumurara ruja no kuwe nta mwanya babifitiye.
He's a brave kid and smart.
Uriya mwana ararenze kandi ni umuhanga.
We'll be working more with him.
Sho.
Streets make people cruel, Miss Carla. I'm honestly not
Aba
crazy.
nabo hakuno karira we.
If you don't keep your eyes on the price, you'll be wasted before you know it.
Could I ask you something?
Ako gira ikintu ubaza. Yego.
How did you and Caesar cross?
Ndi we na Kaisari mwahuriye. Kaisari.
We met at the library.
Twahuriye muri library.
Our hands were reaching for the same book.
twari tugiye gufata igitabo nje nawe duhurizaho intoki.
Yes.
Kayizari sarasoma.
I feel like he was calmer before. I wonder if he changed after meeting you.
Nkeka ko Kayizari imbere yari umwana mwiza utuje.
Heading to university to study science.
Shiraho. Kayizari avaye. Kuye yarakaye.
Carla, let's go.
Kalila tugende.
Aren't you even going to apologize?
Ntabwo uri bunsabe imbabazi. Uyazi ko ari we watumye ategereza amasaha menshi.
You have flowers sent to the house and then you call me here?
Indabo wohereje mu rugo umagara hano none uje
Funny to you?
Kigwa ryo uraseka birasekeje.
You don't have to worry, because I'll be taking care of you once and for all.
We nugira ikibazo ntuhangayika umunsi umwe nawe nzakwemeza ibyembi
He was here to protect me.
Wa mukinga yari hano ari kundinda amabandi yari hano.
5 minutes here, Caesar.
His favor is no good.
Mukinga impoya kugire ntuzize. Twijende. Uco. Do, shaho. Yasigaye hano do. Shere anje twigendere va ku mukinga. Va ku kigoryi twigendere. Bacho. Ajano. Siriraje kureba urugo.
Mulga?
Uruga nakwinjira. Shira nari. Okay.
Hey, I'll tell you what. There's an annex building at the back. Do you think we should treat these street kids there?
Hariya mu gikari cy'ibi bitaro. Hariyo inzu siho twazajya tuvurira bari abantu kubera iki?
They crawl around here like parasites.
Nuko baba bazenguruka muri inzu nka parasite nk'ibiri kuki?
Please, I don't think you know what I mean.
Umva ndakeka utumvishe wenda ibyo ngubwiye neza.
Patients and relatives are very uncomfortable around.
Muri abarwayi baba bari hano na bene wabo ntago banyurwa n'abari abantu kuntu baba bazenguruka muri ibi bitaro bo.
Prefer a hospital that doesn't take care of street children, huh?
Noneho mushaka ivuriro ritita ku bana bo ku muhanda.
Hey, calm down. I mean,
nicyo nashaka kuvuga ni.
You're nervous.
Bisa nkaho warakaye. Kayabona raporo kwa.
Pleasant, this investigation. By the way, do you know who filed the complaint?
I don't know.
None se wabuze umuntu watanze ikirego cy'ukuntu uriya mugabo Zakle Dimahani ngo yaba yarishwemo n'iki avurirwa hano bamutera imiti.
Yes. But I mean, that's impossible because it would involve him.
Umugabo we ntiyari kubigenderamo.
Hey, by the way.
Hagato.
So have you told George?
Wigeze ubwira George ko inda yavuyemo wapi?
Right.
Byiza.
And were you able to convince George not to talk?
Basi se wabashije kumvisha George ngo ntazavuga ya.
I didn't convince him, Natalie did.
Ntago nigeze njye bimwumvisha Natalie niwe wabimwumvishije.
But Natalie has to convince me too.
Ariko Natalie nanjye agomba kunyumvisha. Akumvisha.
So I'm risking everything now.
Akanyumvisha ko ibintu byose bifite ubusobanuro.
In the game by the rules.
Kandi biragendera ku itegeko ryanjye.
I'll take my husband and leave very soon.
Byose nibirangira nzafata umugabo wanjye tugende vuba cyane. Shatse kuvuga cyagenze bite?
Surprise.
Naga surprise mwe mutazi. Okay. Cyara mucanze. Igarukira hano mu rugo kwa Natalie. Avuye hano to.
Carla.
Kalila.
Carla.
Kalila banzu. Cyariko ndakwiye.
Hour and a half for you to take me by the arm and bring me back home?
Princess, don't.
Watsanze ari we wahanjanye uraje usufata tugarutse mu rugo.
I thought that you were going to surprise me or something.
Nari nzi kugiye kunkorera surprise cyangwa ikindi kintu.
Passing the time with your worthless friend.
Whoever said that he was my friend?
Nidakubwiye kuri yari inshuti yanjye.
He's sitting and chatting with some random guy you don't even know.
Wari wicaranye n'umugabo ntazo wari.
Look, Carla, I'm already exhausted. Please stop. I personally come and get you, okay?
Okay, darling.
Listen to me for a second. I must know something.
What's going on with you? Attitude. I don't know what the hell you're doing.
Sinzi ibintu uri gukora njyewe. Sinzi ikibazo ufite. Alex amanuka mu rugo. Hanze bari gutongana do.
Was he involved?
Kiriya kikaritasi kiri gutonganya sister ndakica.
I'm to protect you here and you
Chemba ndi kugerageza kukurinda hano ntabwo uri kuri undindi iki.
Me. Yell at
Kigwa cyo ufite icyo kibazo wowe.
Don't interfere.
We, ibyivangamo.
Doing yelling at my sister, huh?
Uri kunukira mushiki wanjye.
You don't know anything.
Umva nta kintu uzi nawe mbabari.
Damn, everybody's yelling.
Kigari wacu hari igihe.
Your mouth.
Tumuka mu kinga. Shari gendera.
Carla.
Kalila. Kalila we. Ni sheri we.
Carla.
Kalila we. Mushiki wa. Sister. Wagwani. Tu. Anje mu modoka ye wacu hari igendera. yavuye yarakaye nawe.
Listen, Carla.
Nyumva Kalira.
I really do not want to deal with this crap.
Sinshaka gukora buno.
Easy on him because you like him. But if he keeps making you cry like that,
uriya mugabo mubabariye kuko mukunda ariko nakomeza gukora ubugoryi zawe.
I don't give a damn.
Just make
you cry.
Haven't you made Alice?
Ari kukuriza ari gutumurira we Alice umurijeje kangahe?
Fight from the beginning to the end.
Jeno munasheri wanje dushwanye turi yugo byivanze mute. Wewe maze gutongana na Alice
As soon as you get out of my room.
Shungukira mu cyumba kwaza. Tumuka ariko tsokera mu cyumba.
Do whatever you want.
Sa ngajye ukora ibyo ushaka. Kibyivanzemo ngo ushaka abanzi babiri yivanga hagati y'umugore n'umugabo ari. Bamusohoye adakoza amaguru hasi. Kaje hano kalarira icyo katanzi koko. Siza nta mutima mubaba yabikoranye. Kwereka hakuno. Kaje hano arapakira. Pakira ibyo apakira rebe. Iliya. Yaje hano yamani.
Ria?
Iliya.
What is it that you're hiding there?
Ibi ni ibiki uri gutsimba muri butu?
Surprise.
Naga surprise.
Let's go.
Ntabwo tugende.
Driving.
Kandi ni urantwara. Lori buntwara.
Where are we going?
Tugeze.
To a place where there's no one else but us.
Ahantu tugena ahantu hatari undi muntu usibye nge nawe twenyine. Okay. Yafashe umwanzuro wo kwigarurira umugabo wari kubona mugabe bari gushaka umutsindira gake gake byamucanze. Icosheri wanjye yagira gutya asetingamo korutone hano, setingamo coordinates sawa bagiye ku mazi
141 kilometers.
Kilometero 141 mwa.
Promise it'll go by quickly. We're fully charged anyway.
Imodoka yuzuye umuriro nacaginze tugenda utaza kwivugishwa ngo nkwe. Okay. Bagiye ku Kivu ku mazi ni nko kwava ikigaruka Gisenyi.
One has been known to make bad choices.
Zanyano n'ibituzi nimba ari ibituzi nimba ari ibisuguti. Uyatono turi nete shirara musohokanye. Mon bebe.
I think we're gonna have a good time.
Ndakeka tugiye kuryoherwa sibyo? Tugiye kugira ibihe byiza. Siko bimeze. Cyo tugende. Hakuno bagira gutya. Cyo. Chill. Bava i Kigali do ngabo bizashyirongi barazenguruka mu ishyamba uko bava i Kigali ukajya Gisenyi bajye kwirira akalife bari bamaze iminsi mu mastresse na zagara zitampaye agaciro baco menya urukundo ruryoha ariko ndaje nshaka ukuntu ndujyamo noneho biri seri ntago uyu mwaka nawe urangiza nabuze amafaranga nabuze ibintu byose mbure n'umukobwa ntesha umutwe kweri namwe mujye munyumva ariko ndi umwana nk'abandi mwe mwumva ko karirimbo gake gake bucice mu gace aranzagira gutya afungura akarufu abe hinjira n'akayaga buke buke hayaller cepte durur doğuyor içime bir cesaret hesabı bende kalır kundo nyamara ni rwiza gidelim yolları uzajya kubona mubone ndwijugunyemo mubyita imikino mubone ndurimo kandi muzumirwa muvuge muti noneho gaheza yanyweye ibikira yılları bana sor var mı hevesin gidelim dur hakuno sulan rüzgar gidelim yolları bana sorma ne bileyim gidelim buradan ariko rwa nyuma nzajyamo noneho rwo ni rwanga nzahita mboneza y'ubuhinzi ubwo nzaba ngiyemo n'urwa nyuma rwanga bya mu buhinzi n'ubworozi yakwiyorerera udutungo tw'iki n'iki tw'utumodoka twa compressor Benz baje hakuno ku mazi ku Kivu
How did you find this place?
On the
morning of the day you left me, I just drove and happened to end up here. But when I realized you weren't here with me, home. Come on, come and help.
This.
We're having a picnic.
See something, Ria?
Yeah.
How did you fit all of this stuff in?
Bacima ibintu byinshi hano utamenya ngo ni ibiki hakuno hari n'ibishedoro ukuntu bibareba buriya bariya ntibarenzwe.
As we discussed, it will definitely be a fake wedding.
Nkuko twabiganiriye buraza kuba ari ubukwe bwa fake butari ubwa
just in case in the future there are complications.
Ariko byazaza bishobora kuducanga gute?
I see.
Okay, ndabyumva.
It's none of my business.
Ntago bindeba wenda.
Well, Mr. Steven know about the fake wedding.
Ariko nizere ko Steven abizi ko ubukwe mugiye gukora ari ubwa fake cyane arabizi. Okay.
I'll take care of it as soon as possible and inform you.
Sawa ndaza ku making ashaka ko bikunda ndahita nkumenyesha ntari. Sana ari bacira hakuno.
Thank you so much.
Nzakoze kuza ka business card wakoze kuza hakuno. Sho. Umunyamategeko wa Natalie. Bagiye gukora ubukwe na Steven ariko bwa fake kugira ngo yereke Oruga ko adakeneye umugabo we rwose abena. Kiziyano gutya nawe phone yaga telefone.
Steven, can you come home? I need to talk to you about.
Anytime I come over, it's never because something good's about to happen.
Steven, please, I don't have the strength to come over.
Yeah.
Waiting.
So.
Where are you going?
Natalie wants to talk.
She's been calling you a lot lately.
Not
to see her. But you're divorced. See each other more now. That's good.
We have 3 children, Selena. Speaking of children, did you do that DNA test?
But I'm wondering if you could take care of this Melina issue. You know that kid is more. If she talks, we're finished.
I'll do what I must.
Okay,
you do.
Whatever it takes.
Ndakora icyo biri bunsaba icyari cyo cyose kugira ngo uriya mwana ntavuge haze kugira icyo abwira yamani ubwo icyo batazi nibuke badusubije mu masaha 13 Tembo kumo mbebe nakupenda sana Just Steven cyane cyakajuga do Bombe hakuna kana kameri na kavu yo kwirukanka kaza hakuno mu rugo do kaje hano mu rugo akana kaje hano mu rugo ka Melina nta muntu uhari mu rugo kwa Yamani no kwa Banuza. Yamani yibereye hakuno ku mazi yajyanye n'icyana cye yivumburiye.
Yaman.
Yaman.
Tell me, darling.
Mbwira shushu be.
Was Elfie in love with you?
Ako Elfie aragukunda. Ubwo ni Leila.
Well,
Bega.
The last time I saw Elfie, she was 5. She was a child.
Nyuma ubwo duheruka kubonana yari afite imyaka 5 yari akiri akana gato.
Well,
Are you in love with her?
Basi se uramukunda.
Even be in love at that age.
We muri iyo myaka ntago wakunda umuntu.
Since I gave you the compass at the age of 5, I was already in love with you.
Kandi uramutse uvuze ngo namukunze ku myaka 5 waba umbeshya ahubwo ubwo naba narakunze wowe yonza kuba ndi n'ukunda.
She kissed you.
Yaragusomye ariko. Amakuru ndayafite.
Yes, she did.
Yaransomye.
There's more to it.
Ariko nyine impamvu yansomye.
All had their guns on me.
Abarinzi biwabo bose bari bantunze imbunda bo kwa Zakiritima. Ansoma kugira ngo avane mu bibazo.
Honestly, the more I think about it, the more I want to smash her.
Nakubeshya uko mbitekereje mba numva namumena agahanga.
And I'll bash her head against the wall.
Nkafata urutwe nkarukubita ku gikuta. Nkabanyishaza ariko umutima mwiza ni mugenzi w'Imana ari.
She kissed my boyfriend.
Yasomye boyfriend.
Investigating all of us like we're criminals.
Arangije dukora iperereza twese nkaho turi abanyabyaha.
I know.
Ndabizi.
But she isn't doing it maliciously.
Ariko ntago ari kubikora bunyeshyamba humura.
Strange, I will agree. But Elfie is kind of crazy. She always.
Uriya mukobwa ameze nk'aho ari umusazi ngenda muzi twarakura.
Better than her. You let her know.
Rero mubwire ko ntamukunda bimubwire.
What can we do?
Dukora ikizo. Yaraho.
Here we go.
Nuko rwose.
Okay, look.
Umva. Basi kamukupuma amahoro. Yaramuhamagaye kamukupuma amahoro basi. Yumva mwana.
Elfie is still very precious to me.
Uriya mukobwa aracyari uw'ingenzi kuri njye. Hanyuma.
No different than Caesar.
Hatandukanye na Kaisari.
And Alice.
Na Alice.
Same for Emmett.
Ndetse nk'uko byari bimeze kuri nyakwigendera Emmett.
I can't push her away.
Ntabwo uriya mukobwa namwirukana. Pe, nta buryo mfite.
Elfie is my childhood.
Uriya mwana niwe bwana bwanjye.
She's a good friend.
Ndetse ni inshuti nziza.
She always will be.
Iteka azahora ari n'inshuti yanjye.
It's a friendship that we paid a heavy price for.
Ubucuti bwacu ni ubucuti twishyura igiciro kiremereye utabasha kumva. Ndabyaragenze bite sinzi. Sasu yatangiye kwibuka. Byari kera utwana twabaga turamirigara.
Alice.
Alice.
Nothing left to eat, is there?
Hari ikintu cyo kurya
The last of it away this morning.
Byose uyu munsi twahize byanze Yamani. Inzara imeze nabi.
Do now. Very soon.
Turakora iki?
They're hungry.
Ko vuba cyane inzara iraduhitana. Ni cyaka izari cyabaga kiri kubazonga. Hakuno. Shiraho.
Elfie.
Elfie kaje gakurura umufuka.
What you got in there?
Ibyo bintu ni bike. Mwese muzano mbereke. Muzano.
Buddy will sleep hungry tonight.
Buri muntu wese nta uri buryama ashonje ijoro. Muzano mbereke. Rajano zanye umufuka. Suka kuna amabiskuit amashokora. Ibyo byose byinshi du. Muze turye mwana baje hano. Buri umwe afata ibyo ashoboye. Yamana reba. Cyari kera mwibuke n'ibyo ari kwibuka. Yamana ari kwibuka. Do. Hakuno. Asangiraga ubusa.
Steal this? Of course I stole it. What? Do I have money?
None se hari amafaranga nari mfite yo kubigura nabyibye.
Thieves. Should we go hungry? Should we starve?
Kuki wabyibye none se inzara twice abakire badebya amaduka ariko ntimukigire gutyo. Shafata ibyuki. Kureba abona abana bose barishimye bari kurya nubwo babyibye ariko bari bashonje. Mama na cho aje kwicarira hano. Zana afite biscuit. twana twose twari twabonye icyo kurya. Elif kageze gutya azana nimba ari biscuit kari kagiye kurya nimba ari shokora azana ako akira.
Don't want to. I said eat something.
Patari kurya.
I want it. Go.
Eat.
I'm going to die. Take that back.
No tarjura.
Now eat it. Get it away.
Nanjye nabyo.
Please, I don't want.
That's her right.
Wariye mwana dore ngakari. Abagabo baje hano polisi zaje. Kariya kana niko kavuye gutobora iduka ryanjye.
Okay, stop.
Buretse ntabwo ari we dushaka akana we. Baje gufata kamarine hakuno. Yari kavuye gutobora iduka ry'abandi bika Elfi.
Please don't take her, mother.
Baje gukura kavamo karera we gumaho wacyana.
Please don't take her.
Mwamujyana ariko nuko bamutambikanye mwibukiye n'inkuru. Yamana ari kubwira Liam. Byukunda ibintu byagenze icyo gihe. Byari kera. Rebe hakuno filime. Abaricaye inzara irabica dore Kayizari do. Twana twaje hakuno uko ari dutatu ni Alice Kayizari. Yamane baje kuri polisi yo muri Istanbul. Istanbul ubwo ni muri Turukiya. Baje hano wabatatu.
Hello, officer. We have to ask you. Our friend in here, named Elfie, is she still in there?
Hari agacuti kacu kitwa Elfi. Bazanye hano ngo kije.
What shelter?
We bamujyanye mu kigo cy'imfubyi. Ikihe kigo cy'imfubyi?
I can't tell you.
Sinabibabwira.
Do you live on the street like?
Namwe muba ku muhanda tubajyaneyo.
No.
Oya, kare.
Home.
Twe dufite ababyeyi. Ngo twisangire ba papa na mama twigire mu rugo. Bana nuko baciyeho. Bande abakurikiye. Bana nuko twaciyeho. Ebe. Cya gipira yamani yagikuriyemo bana baciyeho gutyo. Na Elfi ngo nubwo baherukana. Gafite imyaka 5.
After that day,
nyuma y'uwo munsi,
none of us heard from Elfie.
Nta numwe muri twe wigeze yongera kumva inkuru habe na kanunu kuri Elfi.
We didn't even know if she was still alive.
Twari tuzi niba kiri muzima
her.
cyangwa si byamubayeho.
When you are a street child, it's
umwana wo kumuhanda.
Trust others. She's like that. Give her some time. Once she
biragora kwisanga mu bandi bantu ni kuri yameze mwana mu hakanya uzamubona uzamusobanukirwa uzamenya ko nta shaza bafite. Hakuno Ria.
Yes, hello Elfie?
Yego Elfie.
Okay, we're busy now.
Oya turahuze.
We're going.
At Theo's place.
Ngari kwa Theo.
Okay, dear. Kisses, bye.
Sawa. Bye. Oya ramukuru sheri wanjye wakubaza.
Such.
Ibishure biri hano birabameneke. Ehe.
You want me to kiss you too?
Well, of course.
Nanjye nemere kugusoma se cyane.
We need to preserve this moment.
Umva akagaire katube tukaretse tube tukabitse tuzasomana nyuma. Nere kutuntu tubanza kwikorera mbere yo gusomana do.
This way a bit. Let's get some good lighting.
Aje gurikiye fata selfie. Bifata video ubiyi video igiye hanze wazasanga yamani nali abavuga ngo video yacu badutaye hanze ngaho ndebera. Suko bigenda se kugira ngo sikuno bitangira mwabantu.
What do you mean? Hold on.
George
was reported by Olga?
Sort
of. She didn't name him, but she got the...
Be mad. Or you've gone mad, talking nonsense.
Stephen, I haven't gone mad. I assure you, this isn't nonsense.
Doing this.
It's to threaten me.
Threaten you? That classy, cool woman is threatening you.
Cool, classy woman. I don't do what she's asking me to do.
What does she want?
Me to remarry you.
Steven, yeah? Steven arumirwa.
I'll make it up to you guys. Don't worry. Oh my god. Hey there, Theo.
Theo, bimeze bite?
Hi, Layla.
Layla, bimeze bite?
But you can still call me your sister.
Oya ntushaka ukomeza ujye unyita mushiki wawe. Isi yarapfuye.
Come here, get up, get up, get up.
Haguruka.
Hug me.
Mpobera.
Oh, my dear.
What are you doing back here?
Ase mwembi bari murakora icyo?
Just talking, so we thought we'd come and check on you.
Twari tuje kureba ukuntu umeze. Isi yarapfuye mwibuke Kayizari niwe wamurashe.
I can't look you in the face.
Sinshaka no kukureba mu maso Alice kubera.
Me?
Ndeba mwana.
Hey, brother.
Umva muvandi.
Listen. I lived with you in the house for 2 years.
Nawe?
And I see who is guilty and
nabanye nawe mu nzi imyaka 2 kandi nzi icyaha ngo ni icyaha.
Nothing about those things.
Ndabizi ko byose byabaga nta makuru ari ubifite ibyo siko yakoraga. Cyaha ni gatozi.
Those evil deeds don't define you and they shouldn't.
Biriya bintu bibi siko yakoraga ntago bigomba gusobanura uwe koko si ngombwa pe. Sibyo?
Look at me.
Ndeba.
Me and Fringy, for example.
Ndeba nje na Fringy uyu
Know who our parents are yet?
Twe tuzi n'ababyeyi bacu.
Children of murderers or thieves.
Ituzi nimbara biconye cyangwa ari ibisambo. Twakora imihanda ntitubazi.
I'm just so ashamed, sister.
Jeff Tisoni sister. Tisoni kabisa.
What's going on?
Kikiri kujya. Mva mwana. Gina gire. Gwamo.
Listen, I'm sorry.
Nyumva mwana unyanga.
I think that has happened. Back into your life.
Don't speak such nonsense. How could you know? You learned it together with us. What else could you do? Shh. Stay with me. I'm saying you're sorry isn't enough. You should do something more to make...
I do.
For example, here's an idea. You could organize a big party for all our street kids here. Right.
George arume Steven arumirwa arahiye
What?
Iki suraseka.
Oh, you and I are gonna get married.
Nawe twongera dushyingirana. Datu abandi reka.
This is a joke to you, is it?
Steven urumva bisekeje.
She's threatening me and you're laughing.
Ari kuntera ubwoba none uri guseka.
Olga, you little devil.
Orugaseki wa mukinga wawigize akana keza do.
Natalie, you're not messing with me, are you?
I
can't believe it.
Yeah,
I really just... My God. Olga begins threatening you. You're taking the threat seriously? Oh. Natalie is desperate to divorce me. Ready of marrying me to save poor little George.
Oh. I have to do it because I have no choice. Then laugh, but let me remind you. If Olga decides to turn the footage over to you're gonna be ruined too. You do realize that?
Is that right? Yes, at the end of the day, I'm a victim too, of course. My God, I don't know. But whatever. There's nothing to do now. What can... I'll have to accept his proposal. Fine, Natalie. I'm willing to accept this new proposal. You can kiss the groom.
A real wedding, of course.
Pardon?
I'm not crazy enough to marry. To think I am. To the lawyer. He went ahead and arranged a fake wedding. I just need
So that's all it is.
Kintu uko nabipanze.
Alright then.
Sawa. Nimba ari gutyo sawa. Ndaje dukomeze n'indi episode. Ciao ciao, bye bye. See you.